So here's my 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan, and the stereo will not power on. So here's a quick video on how to find the fuse for the stereo and replace it. First of all, if your stereo doesn't power on and this top power outlet isn't working, then the likely issue is your fuse, because those two are on the same fuse. First thing you got to do is pop the trunk. Of course, you just pull that lever. Here is the fuse box right next to the battery. Here's a wider shot. If you pull it up and then just flip it over, there's actually a chart right here that shows you which fuse goes to what component. So the one you're actually looking for is going to be this one that says RDO /IPIGN. I'm not sure what that stands for, but this is the one, RDO. There's one here that says RAD. That is not your radio. You want to find RDO. So if you come to your fuse box, it's this 20 amp one right here. So you can use some pliers or just pull it with your fingers. Let's go take a look at this. So hopefully you can see that's busted. So if you want to test first that this is actually your issue before going to the store and purchasing a fuse, you can grab another 20 amp and just swap it really quick. A good one to do is right here, your horn. That's not a critical component. So that's right here. Let's just take a look at what a good one looks like. It's not blown. So if you'd like, go ahead and place that one here where your radio goes. Turn the key on, see if your radio works. I've done this for mine, and it is the issue. Alright, so just a few final points. If you did swap your horn for your radio fuse, just be sure to swap those back before you drive. Your horn's pretty important, more so than your radio. Also, when you go to the store, you can go ahead and grab your fuse and bring it in, just to make sure you get the right one. It needs to be the same size, have the same number. They're also color coded, so it's the same color. This is my new one. I think it's transparent instead of matching exactly this color, because it has an LED light with it. It's not on now, so I assume it just comes on if the fuse breaks. Also, so I bought a 2-pack. This spot right underneath, if you come up to the chart, this says spare. So I'm just sticking my extra one right there if I ever need it again. So I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.
Of that rock, you're able to replicate that's
Alright, so they're both working.